Okay, good evening, students. We are going to see some problems on discrete random variable. So, do you remember what is discrete random variable? A random variable whose range space is either finite, or if it is not finite, it should be countably infinite. Then we say this as a discrete random variable. So, for discrete random variable, we are going to find some data like mean, variance, cumulative distribution, all these things. Okay, I'll take a typical problem. A random variable, a random variable, okay, x. So we are saying the random variable x has the following table. Okay, most of the time they will give you probability. They will say this as probability function. Okay, or table. You can remember like table, that is better. So you will be given x and their corresponding probabilities. Okay, so this probability, you students, you have to understand this x is your this x is your data, and this p of x, people say this as p of x equal to x or simply p of x. This is called as probability mass function if it is discrete random variable. If it is continuous random variable, people say this as probability density function. Okay, here x is the random variable and this x is the values which we are going to change. Okay, this is called as PMF, probability mass function. Okay, so now let us go to the problems exam point of view. So now x holds the value 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me take a big problem, then you will be very confident to do any kind of problem. 0, a, 2a, 2a, 3a, a square, 2a square, 7a square plus a. Okay, this is my table, guys. So now this is called your PMF, probability mass function. But the thing is, first what we have to find, can you guess what we have to find first one? Obviously a, because we don't know what is a. Second, we are going to find probability x less than x. Third one, probability x greater than or equal to 4. Fourth one, probability x greater than or equal to 6. Fifth one, so I am taking a lot of things here so that you will understand what kind of, like whatever the problem comes, you can easily concentrate on this. Sixth one, this is very important, these kind of problems. 3 less than 2 less than x less than 9 by 2 provided. So problems look bigger, and don't worry guys, solutions are so simple. Okay, so you don't want to worry about it. The solutions are very easy. Okay, what else?
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Is 2 and 5 are repeated?
2 and 5. Okay, yeah, thank you. So 2 is 4. Yeah, thank you, man. Thank you. It's a typo. So, and very important thing, in discrete random variable, less than is different from less than or equal to. Okay, if they say less than or equal to, you have to take this 0. If they say strictly less than, then 0 will not count. For continuous random variable, we are going to do integration, so we don't bother about these things. Okay, you see how many things. I am taking so much of things. But it's very easy, guys. You don't want to get confused. Find CDF. Okay, cumulative distribution function. Okay, CDF is cumulative distribution function, or simply say distribution. Okay, then what else they are asking? If P less than or equal to K greater than 1 by 2, find the least K. Okay guys, let us do in our way. So how to find the first one? What is the formula? How to find A here? Guys, how to find A? What is the formula we known to us? What is sum of total probabilities?
1.
Okay, so now what I am going to do? Find A. So what we know that sum of all the probabilities is 1. So that means from the table 0 plus A, 2A, 2A, 3A, I remember up to this. Okay, 3A, A square plus 2A square, A square plus 2A square, 7A square plus A equal to 1. That's it, students. So now if you add this, what will you get? So 10A square plus 9A minus, equal to 1, right? Just you have to add A and A square. So 10A square plus 9A minus 1 equal to 0. How to solve this, guys? You have to use the calculator, okay? Guys, use your calculator. You know how to solve the quadratic equation, right? Yes or no? I think in your school days you have learned these things. If you don't know to use calculator, you can use this factorization method also. Okay, you see here, you have 10A square, so 9A here. So how can I write 9A square plus A square plus 9A minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, so in this case, what can I do? Here also I have a trouble. So what can I do? So here plus A minus 1 equal to 0. I can take like this. Okay, so now what can I do? 10A square plus 10A minus A minus 1 I can keep like this. Now I will take this 10A commonly outside. If I take this 10A commonly outside, A plus 1. If I take minus commonly outside, A plus 1. So 10A minus 1, A plus 1 equal to 0, and the solutions are A plus 1 equal to 0 and 10A minus 1 equal to 0. So what is the answer, guys, here? So A equal to 1 by 10, here A equal to minus 1. So now what should I pick? Which is my correct answer?
1 by 10.
Why? Why not minus 1?
Sir, because it's a negative.
Very good. Hats off to you. So the probability lies between 0 to 1. It cannot be a solution. So therefore A equal to 1 by 10. Very good, ma. Thank you. So first part over. So if first part over, it is very easy. This is over, right? So now I will go randomly. Now we have to find CDF. What is CDF? Do you remember, guys? Do you remember what is meant by CDF? This is, okay, I'll tell you, and I will tell you the easy way to find CDF. Okay, so I'm going to this to find CDF, cumulative, okay, let me write, cumulative distribution function. Okay, so to find CDF, there are many techniques, many ways are there. Okay, CDF formula is capital F of x, that is P of x less than or equal to small x. You have to add like this. Okay, but honestly speaking, we can go for a simple trick. Okay, don't want to waste time to calculation all those things. So this is my x. X values are what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This will work only for what? Discrete random variable, guys. This trick will not work for continuous, because continuous we have to integrate. No other go. At least for this part, you can use this. Okay. And what is your p of x? 0, a, 2a, 2a, 3a, a square, 2a square, 7a square by plus a. Okay. Now what is the value, guys? I need the values. What is the value of a? A is 1 by 10 here, right? So now I'll write the a value. So 0, 1 by 10. Don't subdivide, like don't split or don't factorize or don't cancel anything. 2 by 10, 3 by 10. So a square means 1 by 100. Okay, 1 by 100, 2 by 100, 2 by 100. Here a means 1 by 10. So how can I do like this? 7 by 100 I will get. So 1 by 10. Simply what you can do, 7 by 100, I can write 10 by 100. So 17 by 100. Okay. So I can write this as simple calculation, guys. Okay, shall I rub this? Students, can you understand what I am trying to do?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we are going to find CDF, cumulative distribution function. You see how easily we can do when you make a tabular form. So you can write the table, and you can say from the table you can get the cumulative distribution function easily. Okay, so my cumulative distribution function, I have said you the property f of x always lies between 0 and 1. So now tell me what is the starting value and what is the ending value. What is starting value of f of x and ending value of f of x, guys? So this is going to be always 1 last value, and starting value is going to be 0. Can you get my point? Now say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, you see how I am going to calculate this function easily. So now put this. So 0 plus 1 by 10, what is this? 0 plus 1 by 10. 1 by 10, right? Now can you get my point what I am trying to say? First put 0 here, add this cross value 1 by 10. Now again go here, 1 by 10 plus 2 by 10. What is the answer? 3 by 10. Then 3 by 10 with 2 by 10. You will get 5 by 10. So this is the easiest way. Okay. If you do by formula also, you are going to get the same. But don't go for big step and get confused. So 8 by 10. So 8 by 10 when you add with 1 by 100. Now you have to see the trick here little. So 8 by 100 means I have to keep like 80 by 100. Okay, if I think it is 80 by 100, then 80 by 100 plus 1 by 100, I will get 81 by 100. Here 2 by 100. So 83 by 100. So now you see this is my cumulative distribution function CDF f of x from the table. You can write in the exam, from the table it is clear that CDF is arrived. Okay, so I think this will be the easy way instead of doing the formula. Formula is little not tough, it looks annoying. You have to do side by side calculation. Is it okay, guys? You can make a table like this and you can say from the table you can find the cumulative distribution function for this given problem. This is your f of x. Is it okay, guys? Is it easy to follow? Just
Yes,
cross
sir.
addition, okay? So don't write formula, but important thing, you have to write this. Cumulative distribution function, capital F of x. You have to write the formula because you may get some mark for this, and then make the table, just cross addition. Starting value is 0 always, ending value is 1. Okay, you can check it. 83 plus 17 is 100, 100 by 100 is 1. You will never get mistake here. Okay, students, done. So, because this is very important, students will do mistake here. So that's why I taught you this first. Okay, what is the next question? Now let us go for the smaller guys. Now we will attack the smaller guys. My second question is probability of x less than 4. You see, now you have to remember x values starting from what? 1 to 7. Okay, x less than 4. What you have to do? Probability of x less than 4 means what is the answer, guys? In discrete random variable, it is very important. X less than 4 means x may be 3, x may be 2, x may be 1, x may be 0. Am I right? Yes or no, guys? Yeah. So now just do the a value. Okay, don't put the so x equal to 0, we have 0. For 1, we have a. For 2, we have 2a. And 3, we have 2a. You can see your question paper or question. You will get this. So probability of x less than 4 is 5a. Now you know the value of a. Substitute a is 1 by 2. 5 by 10. This is 1 by 2. Because if you do the numbers, you will do some mistake. Okay. That's it, guys. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Third question. Now tell me, students, how to do for this. Probability of x greater than or equal to 4. Yes? Answer me, ma.
So considering x values from 4 to 7.
Okay, because greater than or equal to, that is very important. 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, but you do like this, but I am a lazy guy. Okay, don't want to substitute all these things and do. We know one formula. What is the formula? Somebody can guess it? What is probability of x greater than or equal to 4? So sum of probability is always equal to 1. Probability of x greater than or equal to 4 is 1 minus probability of x less than 4. Am I right? Is it true or not? The total probability is 1, right? Watching one movie, missing 3 movie, total probability is 1. So now I have this value, right? Probability of x less than 4 is already calculated. So 1 minus 1 by 2, I'll get the answer directly. So this is one of the easiest way, okay? Always try to use the property so that you can save a lot of time. You can finish the exam very quick with more confidence. Is it clear? Shall we move to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Okay, done. So now there are these things you can do. Next one is probability of x greater than or equal to 6. So greater than or equal to 6 means we have value 6 up to 7. Okay, so this is I think 2a square. This is 7a square plus a. So 9a square plus a. So we know that a is 100. Sorry, 1 by 10. A square is 100, 9 by 100, 1 by 10. So I can write it as 9 by 100, 10 by 100. So 19 by 100. So this part is done. Clear? Now you see, now you can say what is the answer for this. If you go in a normal way, you have to add for 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. But what we are going to do? What we are going to do, ma? You see, this will be easy.
1 minus 19 by 9.
Ah, very good. So just why you waste your time? So just 100 minus 19 is 81 by 100. So simply you can tackle this problem, pass away this problem. Okay, good. And next question is very important, because why it is something tricky. Probability 3 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2 less than 9 by 2 x greater than 2. Okay, whenever you see the bar, what you remember? Not that bar, guys. Why should us think differently? Do you remember this word? Can you say the formula conditional probability? Probability of A bar B. Whenever something comes in the denominator, this will go to the denominator, and probability of A intersection B. Am I right? So now you see, here we have, this is your A and this is your B. So we have to do conditional probability, guys. For this, you have to understand the question first. Okay. So I can write this probability of, so there is an intersection, x should be greater than 2 and x lies between 9 by 2 to 3 by 2 and whole divided by probability of x greater than 2. Is it clear, guys? If you don't understand, please tell me, I can help you.
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay, so now what are all the data we need? We need the numerator and we need the denominator. You see, if I calculate this probability x greater than 2, it's huge. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 I have to add. Instead of that, what can I do? Shall I write like this? X greater than 2 is 1 minus probability of x less than 2. So x less than or equal to 2 means I will get 0, I will get 1, I will get 2. Am I right? Yes or no, guys?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So 0 we have 0, 1 we have a, 2 we have 2a. So just keep it number, that will be good. 1 minus 3a. I know that a is 1 by 10. 1 minus 3 by 10. So this is going to be 7 by 10. So the the denominator I have found. For numerator, you have to think a little, guys. Okay, now take your calculator. Okay, take your calculator. 3 by 2. 3 by 2 means, what is the value here? 3 by 2 means? 3 by 2. Maybe I will zoom. Yes. What is the value of 3 by 2, guys? Oh my God.
So 1.5.
1.5. Then here 9 by 2 means?
4.5.
4.5. Good. Okay, now they are saying x is lying between 3 by 2 and 9 by 2. So what is the values we have? What are all the values we have? 1.5 means we have 2 here, 3 here, 4 here, right? So the values lies between 1.5 and 4.5 is 2, 3 and 4. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Now you see, they are asking what is the common between, so here x equal to 2, 3, 4, intersection x greater than 2. So x greater than 2 means, according to us, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all these things will be there. Here in this set, we have 2, 3, 4. In this set we have 3, 4, 5, 6. What is the common between these two? What is common between these two guys?
3 and 4.
3 and 4, right? So I am now I understand. So I am just slowly going for you. 3 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2. Sir, I am in class. I will call you after 2 minutes. After 5. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, so this part, okay, let me take this. And intersection x greater than 2. So what I understand, probability now here x equal to 2, x equal to 3, x equal to 4 is there in this first set. Intersection in the second set, x equal to 3, 4, 5, 6 up to 7 is there. Understand student, these are all for your understanding in examination. You don't want to write those things. Directly you can write now what is common here, 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are common. So probability of x plus probability of x equal to 3 and 4. That's it. Okay. So now we know that probability of 3 is x equal to 3 is 2a. The other one is 3a. So 5a. So a is 1 by 10. So 5 by 10, 1 by 2. Now you come to the original question. So the numerator we have found 1 by 2 and the denominator we have calculated 7 by 10 or 1 by 2. You don't want to keep 1 by 2. Better keep 5 by 10. So cancellation will be easy. 5 by 10, 7 by 10. 10, 10 will get cancelled. You will have the answer 5 by 7. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall we proceed? Yeah. Because your concern is very important for me because I am not teaching for my concern. I am just want each and every student should understand. So that is what my target. So that problem we have understand very easily. So they will not give you that much stuff, guys. Don't worry. They will ask like this. Okay, probability of x greater than 4 provided that probability of x equal to 2. Something that means then what you have to do? You have to understand by conditional probability. Probability of x greater than 4 intersection probability of x equal to 2 divided by probability of x equal to 2. What is the answer for this? What is the answer for this, guys? What is common between x equal to 2 and x greater than 4? Guys?
So nothing will be common.
Nothing is common. That means null, right? Probability of 5. What is the probability of an impossible event?
0.
0. So answer for this is what? 0. Because we have to write x greater than 4 intersection x equal to 2 is null set. Probability of null set is 0. Therefore, the answer is 0. You see, I am trying to make you very confident whatever the problem given by the person who is setting the questions. Okay. So you have to use the conditional probability, guys. It's very, very, very simple. Okay. You have to check. If something is common, you have to find that probability. If nothing is common, it is going to be not 0. Okay. It is null set. And probability of null set is, that is impossible event. Probability of an impossible event is always 0. Okay, good. Okay, I will share you the written material also. For this unit, maybe I will type PPT also sometime if I get free. But I have a very good handwritten material which I will write for you people. I will share you. Then the next one we have to find What is the answer, guys? So if problem is one-sided, like they are asking less than 1, less than, greater than 1, then you can go for property. If something you are not confident, then don't go for property. Throw everything in from your mind. Just do in a classical way. What is the answer for this? What are all the things should I take? Yes, guys?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, because less than or equal to. Okay, less than or equal to. In this case, you have to take everything. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is very important, student. If you understand the concept, problem is nothing. 0, x equal to 1 is a. You should not think Sir is writing something. Okay, this is given in the question, guys. From the table, I cannot show you the table, so I am writing like this. A, and for x equal to 2e is 2a, again 2a, then 3a. So 7 plus 1, 8a. It is going to be 8 by 10. Or if you want to further simplify, 4 by 5. That's it, guys. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, problem over, guys. There is only final one part is there, I think, yes. This is little tricky. Not tricky, you have to think a little. That's it. It's not tricky. It's very simple. Okay, they are asking if probability of x less than or equal to k, some k, they don't say about these things. If probability of x less than or equal to k, that should be greater than 1 by 2. Oh my god. That should be greater than 1 by 2. Find least value of k. You have to find the smallest value of k. Okay, in this case, what are all the k values you can have? What is the value should be greater than 1 by 2? Now I think we need the help of the table. Oh, God. Okay, I have erased the table. Let me do the table. So but that's why this question is lost. Because we have to use that cumulative distribution function 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so probability of x and f of x. So probability, this is 0, 1 by 10, 2 by 10, 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 1 by 100, 2 by 100, 17 by 100. And just now we found this cumulative distribution, guys. 1 by 10, 3, just we add, do you remember just now we have added these things. Can you able to follow, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is your cumulative distribution function. This is your probability mass function. Okay, now you see the beauty of this problem. They are asking you find the probability of x less than or equal to k, some k value. It should be greater than 1 by 2. That means you go to the table 0. 0 is not greater than 1 by 2. This is not come in this category. 1 by 10 will not come in this category. Which will come greater than 1 by 2? 3 by 10 will not come in this category. 5 by 10 is also, it's not greater than 1 by 2. So 8 by 10 will come, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 8 by 10 will come. Then 81 by 100 also will come. 83 by 100 also will come. And then 1 also will come. So now probability of x less than or equal to k. So you see this corresponding value. This is 4, na? We are adding up to this. What is the meaning of CDF? We are adding up to 4. x less than or equal to 4 is 8 by 10. This is greater than 1 by 2. Good. Similarly, we have to write everything. Probability of x less than or equal to 5, that is going to be 81 by 100. This is going to be 1 by 2. Probability of x less than or equal to 6, 83 by 100. This is also greater than 1 by 2. And probability of x less than or equal to 7, this is 1, this is greater than 1 by 2. Now tell me students, out of this 4, which is the least value? That your calculator will tell, right? So you don't want to answer these things. This is 0.8, this is 0.81, this is 0.83, this is 1. So out of these 4 values, which is the lesser value, guys?
0.8.
0.8. So what is the question they are asking you? Find the probability of x less than or equal to k, which is greater than 1 by 2, and find the minimum value of k. So the minimum value is 0.8 for the k. So what is the k value now? For which value this is minimum? Yes, guys?
4.
So for k equal to 4, you get the minimum value for the data. That's it, students. Any doubts?